I don't know if this really works, but my grandmother used to say you can stop hiccups if someone startles you from the back with a loud noise. Could anyone confirm this method? My presentation at my first conference started with a slight hiccup when I found out that the projector was not working. These minor issues can and will happen more often than not, so it is always a good idea to prepare handouts. Despite some hiccups along the way, such as the singer being late, some problems with the mic, and other minor issues, the concert turned out to be a great success.